Hello, we are the Pac5 and we are presenting on our HIV management application. HIV management requires time and attention to all aspects of a patient's healthcare. Patients must monitor their doctor appointments, medication, a healthy diet, and healthy fitness program. Our team's goal is to research what HIV management requires from a patient, as well as different solutions available today to come up with a comprehensive HIV management tool for HIV patients. Linked here is our project plan, which includes our project description, process description, as well as team member details. Speaking of team members, here we have our team and roles listed, including our mentor, our project manager, 3 developers, and our 1 QAer. First, we started with our lab and appointment research, detailed in the following document. HIV patients require regular checkups and blood work around every 3 to 4 months to manage the virus. Patients must stay up to date on their appointments with their providers, as well as any specialists and nutritionists the patient might be seeing. The business cases we aim to solve first include appointment management, giving the patient access to their full provider schedule, a history and summary of their appointments, and their care team's contact details. We also aim to provide patients with a graphical representation of their lab results. One example would be the viral load test, which tracks the patient's virus count and copies per milliliter. This would give patients insight to how close they are to the recommended level of 40 to 75 copies per milliliter. Next, we performed research on HIV patient diet and exercise requirements, linked in detail in the following documents. We found that patients with complications to HIV might require special diets and nutrient regimens. Because the body is constantly fighting the infection, patients must consume a higher number of calories and verify they are getting the proper nutrients to help fight their infection. The business cases we aim to solve include a diet and exercise tracker to help patients monitor their calorie intake, nutrient intake, as well as the amount of exercise they are getting. Finally, we performed research on current health informatics solutions. We found that although health applications are very popular, there's not a single comprehensive platform for HIV management. The business cases we aim to solve include developing a single platform for HIV management by developing off of proven business models to centralize information for ease of use. Here we have created a Gantt chart detailing our project progress. And as you can see, our sprint 2 has been completely finished as we look towards the next sprint. We also developed an architectural diagram which provides a layout of our technology and hardware. And as you can see, the user will access the application through their client while the application runs on a Kubernetes cluster. Finally, linked is our reference documentation in APA format. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.